Hi guys, welcome to Mathematics Made Easy channel, and I'm speaking Mr. Saqib Latif. I'll show you the last question about cos diagram, and this is an exam question. The question says if cos theta is equal to 8 over 17 and sin theta less than 0, find the value of tan theta, sin theta over cos theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So how we gonna solve this question? So we looking here, cos theta is 8 over 17, and then we have what sin theta less than 0, which means sin, the way sin is negative. So the cos theta is a positive, way is positive cos theta in first quad and second quad, and sin theta way is less than 0, negative, in this quad and the quad 4. So where they are matching, they're matching here. So at the same time here, cos is positive, at the same time sin is negative, quad 4. So I'm going to use my angle, the quad 2 is my angle. So theta is a second quad, sorry, a fourth quad angle. So I'm going to draw a Cartesian plane in fourth quad. So this is my Cartesian plane, and this is y-axis. This is my x-axis. And now this is my, so this is my, I draw the line which is my radius, and now I'm going to draw a triangle. Oops, suppose we mustn't go further than that. Anyhow, this is 90 degree. Now, so we have now the cos is positive, so the cos, always cos theta is equal to 8 over 17, mean the cos to do with x values, so the x over r. So the x has been given to you, which is 8, which is must be a positive because x on this quad is positive, and the radius I told you always gonna be positive. So the r is radius from the center, and this is our 17. And the y-axis we need to find, right? So remember, before every time I'm explaining what a radius, let me show you what is radius. You see, this is a Cartesian plane and this is circle. This is center O. So if I need to draw this quad 1, 2, 3, and 4, if I need to draw on this quad now, I need to draw a triangle. So it's gonna be from center point till the circumference. And now obviously, then I'm gonna draw the triangle. This is y-axis, and there your 90 degree. So a radius always gonna be a positive. So if you go this way, then it's gonna be, if in this first quad there's a radius, second quad, third quad there's a radius. So the first quad there's a radius, right? So if I draw a triangle here, so it's gonna be like this, 90 degree. So if you're gonna be this one, there's a radius, it's gonna be this. If it's here, there's my radius, it's gonna be like this. So this is 90 degree also, 90 degree. So that's how it works on Cartesian plane to draw the triangle. So we'll come back to our question now. So this is my triangle. So you draw triangle on Cartesian plane. Now, So we need to find now, obviously we're going to use Pythagoras to find this y value. So the x square plus y square is equal to r square. So which means x is 8 square and y we don't know, and the r is 17 square. So 64 plus y square, this becomes 17 square is going to be 289, and the y square 289 minus 64. The answer will be, use the calculator please. So it's going to be 225, and the y value is going to be 225 square root, positive and negative outside, therefore y value become positive or negative 15. But not going to use the, we're going to use the negative 15, not a positive, because in this quad the y-axis is negative here. Now, so now I need to find, my question says find out tan theta. So my tan theta is going to be is equal to y over x. So obviously I have now x value here, which was 8, and the y value is negative 15, and the radius was 17. So y over x, y is negative 15, and the x value is 8. This is my final answer. And if I need to find sine theta, this was the first. Now I need to find sine theta over cos theta, and sine theta to do with x values obviously is going to be, sorry, y value, y over r over, and the cos is going to be x over r. Now, so r and r going to cancel, or you leave, you can simplify also if you want to. The answer exactly going to come the same. So in this case, we have now y value we got negative 15, and the x value we have 8. Exactly same answer. Why? Because this r and this r cancel out. The last one, part C. It says sine square theta plus cos square theta. So we already find the sine and cos. Sine we have, sorry, we still can find here, is y over r square plus x over r square, because cos to do with x values, x-axis, and sine to do with y-axis. So it's going to be y we have now negative 15. So the negative 15 over radius we have 17 square plus x we have 8 over r value 17 square. We need to simplify this one. So it's going to be 225 plus 64 over 289. I did use the calculator. The answer is going to be equal to 1. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. If you have any question, write in comments below. I will assist you.